Hey guys, Blake Holbrook's with MarineMax on Lake Wylie here. Today we're looking at a 2023 Yamaha 255XE. So back here on the transom you can see you do have these adjustable loungers, so you can slide those back to give you a nice layout space back here on the stern. Alright, as you can see on the tower here, we're full blown for water sports. You got your tower racks, your tower speakers, and your tow hook right here. This boat does have a full ballast bag system, 3 bags. Right here on the starboard side, you do have a nice fold-out table. Give you a nice space to work with whenever you're anchored out, just relaxing out on the water. Up here, you can see you do have a full digital dash with all of your controls for the vessel right there, as well as this huge rear view mirror for when you are pulling and taking advantage of all those water sport features on here. Up here in the front, you got plenty of bow storage under each seat, and as well as insert cushions to turn this front bow into a huge sun pad right here. Over here we've got the head compartment, so this is set up to where you can just add a porta potty or a full head unit if you'd like to. Thanks again for watching. Then once again, this is Blake Holbrook's at MarineMax on Lake Wylie. If you got any questions about this boat or any of the other models we have to offer, just give us a call at 803-831-2101.